This is the brand new DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro. DJI took the best compact camera on Earth, stuffed a massive new sensor inside, and somehow made it run cooler and shoot longer. Is this the ultimate zero-compromise creator tool? Today, we are doing a ruthless Pocket 4 Pro deep dive. We're covering the new hardware, the real-world performance, the AI features, and whether it's actually worth your hard-earned money. The Pocket 3 blew everyone away with a 1-inch sensor. But the Pocket 4 Pro steps it up to a customized micro Four Thirds sensor. Let's unpack what that actually means for your images. By squeezing a larger sensor into a chassis that's barely 10% wider than its predecessor, DJI has achieved an incredible dynamic range bump. Plus, they've finally done it. A built-in electronic variable ND filter. No more carrying tiny magnetic glass filters that get lost in your bag. Coupled with the larger sensor, low-light performance is staggering. In 10-bit D-Log-M, the shadow detail is incredibly clean. Noise levels are kept to an absolute minimum, meaning your night vlogs will look like they were shot on a full-sized cinema rig. And for the slow-mo lovers, we are now looking at uncropped 4K video at a buttery smooth 120 frames per second, or up to 5.7K at 60 frames per second in an open gate format. This gives you complete crop flexibility for both TikTok and YouTube. Hardware is nothing without brains. The 4P introduces ActiveTrack 7.0, powered by a dedicated onboard AI chip. It doesn't just track your face, it uses predictive skeletal modeling. If you walk behind a tree, the gimbal anticipates where you'll emerge and locks right back on instantly. On the audio front, the internal 3-mic array features intelligent directional wind reduction. But the real upgrade is the dual-channel direct connection. You can pair up to 2 DJI Mic 3 transmitters straight to the handle via Bluetooth with 0 external receivers required. It's the ultimate run-and-gun setup. A bigger sensor and high bitrate processing usually mean heat and terrible battery life. DJI solved this with dual-channel thermal dissipation. Even filming in 4K 60, we didn't experience a single overheat shutdown. Plus, with the new fast charge protocol, you can get an 80% charge in just 14 minutes. The physical UI also got an overhaul. The screen is now 15% brighter for direct sunlight use, and there's a dedicated physical joystick that feels incredibly tactile. You can switch between panning modes, zoom, and tilt with pure physical precision. At $549 for the base unit or $699 for the creator combo, it is definitely a premium tool. But if you're a solo creator, vlogger, or B-roll shooter who values ultra-compact size without sacrificing that rich, large sensor look, nothing else even comes close. Let me know in the comments below, is this the upgrade you've been waiting for? Hit that subscribe button for our full cinematic camera tests, and I'll see you in the next one.